Do you want to cook on box logo release days? Yeah! Or are you tired of taking L's on Shopify sites? Yeah! Or are you just tired of taking L's in general? Well, today I have the solution for you. Let's get right into the video. Yo guys, so back here with another video. Today I do have a special video for you guys, kind of. So recently I have been using something to like ensure my my cooks, I guess. It's a little something. I am not sponsored by them, but Cardinal, if you would like to hook your boy up with a lifetime key, you know, my DMs are always open, you know, kind of doing this free promo for you guys. So what Cardinal is, it's an autofill extension. It actually helped me cook this box logo on release day last week. If you saw that video, make sure to watch it. Yo, I got it! Oh my god! I'll leave a little video thing right here on the eye. But yeah, that shit was amazing. It helped me cook. I did use it for the unions as well. It helped fill out the form for me. So all I had to do was just... Actually, I don't think I even had to do anything. I just had to add to cart and it did everything else for me. So that's the plus. There are many other autofills out there, but this is the one I personally use, and it's had success for me. Alright, so what Cardinal is, it's an autofill extension. They're I'm gonna have y'all up on the screen right now. So this is their Twitter. They're sold out currently, but they do restock like frequently. They have a lot of success. The Discord is really helpful. They always provide release guides and what settings you should run for drop day. They do provide like sometimes free weekly keys if you want to go ahead and try it out. I think it's like $5, $10, or $15 a month, which is not very expensive. I want to say it's $5, so it's not even that expensive. They do have lifetime keys, which they restock here and there. It's not very often though. It is a very good tool. I can go ahead and give y'all an example of how it works. So we're on the Supreme website. So how Cardinal works on Supreme, I would run autofill, autojig. Autojig is mainly used so you don't get the high traffic errors. So I'm gonna show you an example of what I mean, how it works. So we're gonna add this to cart. Check out now. It fills up everything for you. All you would have to do, what I personally like to do, I just click the I have read and agree to the terms and service. And I would also like go ahead and maybe take an extra second and put another letter on my name, just to go ahead and throw the algorithm off on the website. But yeah, and then all you have to do is just process payment, and that is how you can get yourself a box logo on Supreme. So we're gonna go on to Shopify and I'm gonna show you how that works. Alright, so now we're on Undefeated. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So you go ahead and collect your size. So I'm gonna choose a size 9. Add this cart to item. If you had the option for Shopify auto checkout or Shopify auto checkout, we're gonna go ahead and do that. No, we're actually not gonna do that. So it would just mainly check out for you. You don't have to do anything. I agree. Continue. So see, as you can see, it fills up everything for you. You go ahead, do the capture, continue the shipping. It fills up everything for you. It's obviously it's not going to fill up my phone number because my phone number is boo-boo. But it goes ahead and does everything for you for the most part. And all you have to do is just, what I personally do, I just have autofill in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I got these bad boys right here. So yeah, Cardinal, if you guys do want to hook your boy up with with a lifetime key, it'd be very much appreciated. Then again, I am not sponsored by Cardinal, but they are very, very helpful for me. They've come through a couple times for me. Go ahead and check them out. Like I said, their Twitter is Cardinal Scripts. I'll leave a link to them in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If I did end up helping you out, maybe you'll want to try it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.